If you told me 10 years ago, this is what's coming, I can never picture it in my eyes. My name is Nihar. I'm from Edison, New Jersey. I've been doing Seva here since April 22, so a little over a year and a half. And also just, Mandir's community. Mandir's, the foundation that I've grown up on. It's been where my sanskars come from. There are always people that are asking, hey, like, are you okay? Make sure you drink water. Everyone here is a big brother. Everyone here is a big sister. Everyone here is just trying to make sure and has that motherly attitude towards making sure that you're taken care of. Everyone takes care of you as if they're your own. So this Akshardham Mahamandir project is a community effort. It's not just about the volunteers here that put in their time every single day, but it's the families of those volunteers that provide for them. It also involves the different employers, the employers that provide their employees flexibility to come here. To me, I think happiness is important, but more than happiness, it's peace. Happiness is very up and down. It's tough to, always trying to find it. A lot of people get happiness from money, but I'm chasing, and a lot of people here are chasing peace. There's no words to describe what we've built. It just feels like Maharaj and Swami have, taking their place inside of us to help make this come through.